Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, Indian Navy to replace French CMS on Calvary class submarines. In a significant move towards self-reliance in defense technology, the Indian Navy has announced plans to replace the French supplied combat management systems, that is CMS, on its Calvary class submarines with an indigenous alternative. This decision comes after years of dependency on the naval group for weapon integration due to the lack of access to the CMS source code. The existing CMS, known as DCNS Subtix, that is Submarine Tactical Integrated Combat System, does not allow India access to its source code. This has necessitated reliance on the French naval group for any modifications or integration of new Indian-made weapon system, leading to delays and increased costs. Next, Indian Navy aims high with Project 76. The Indian Navy is setting its sight on enhancing its underwater capabilities with Project 76, under which it plans to manufacture 6 conventional diesel-electric submarines, each equipped with an air-independent propulsion, that is AIP system. According to sources familiar with the project, these submarines might have a displacement exceeding 3,000 tons, potentially reaching up to 4,000 tons, although final design specifications are still in the developing stage. While exact figures are yet to be confirmed, the displacement of these submarines around 4,000 tons suggests a significant increase in size and capability compared to previous classes. The design phase is expected to reach its final stage by 2028, at which point more concrete details will likely be available. Next, engaging private sector in ammunition manufacturing and development. In a strategic pivot aimed at enhancing its operational capabilities and fostering self-reliance in defense manufacturing, the Indian Air Force has announced plans to engage with private sector companies for the manufacturing and development of both established and next-generation ammunitions. This move signals a potential shift in policy, traditionally favoring public sector defense companies like HAL and BDL, towards a more inclusive approach involving private enterprises. The IAF's initiative is part of a broader effort to reduce dependency on foreign suppliers and accelerate the nation's Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat initiatives. By opening up the development and production of munition to the private sector, the IAF aims to leverage the expertise, innovation, and production capacity of private companies to address the growing demand for both conventional and advanced munition. Next, Indian Navy's MiG-29K fleet upgraded with mission computer. In a significant boost to its naval aviation capabilities, the Indian Navy has successfully upgraded the mission computer of its MiG-29K fleet, a critical step towards integrating the indigenous Astra Mk1 beyond visual range air-to-air missile. The upgrade developed by HAL make a pivotal enhancement in the combat effectiveness of these aircraft. The mission computer serves as the brain of the aircraft, managing various subsystems and integrated them for optimal combat performance. The previous MC in the MiG-29K was based on older technology, limiting the aircraft's ability to interface with newer, more advanced weaponry like the Astra Mk1. With HAL's upgrade, which was done locally, the MiG-29K now has the computational power and software compatibility necessary for modern combat operations. Next, global bids for T-90SM tank's active protection system. In a strategic move to enhance the survivability of its armored forces, the Indian Army has issued a request for information for the procurement of an active protection system tailored for its T-90SM main battle tanks. This tender has attracted the attention of several international defense giants eager to offer their advanced solutions. Next, first ever image of Tata Advanced Systems Limited Light Armored Multi-Purpose Vehicle, that is in short LAMV. The first ever image of Tata's Advanced Systems Limited Light Armored Multi-Purpose Vehicle has been captured from a video and has since gone viral on social media. The image was first posted by X-handle Rishabh Gupta at Connect Rishabh, drawing significant attention from defense enthusiasts and analysis.